Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with ClickUp for task automation, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the ClickUp website at www.clickup.com. Locate the Get Started or Sign Up button on the home page. Click on the button to be directed to the registration page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email and create a strong password. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Click the Sign Up or Create Account button to proceed. You may receive a verification email in your inbox. Open the email and click the verification link provided. After verifying your email, return to the ClickUp website. Log in using the email and password you created. Once logged in, you will be guided through an onboarding process. Select your role or the type of work you do. You may choose to follow a tutorial to familiarize yourself with the platform. Customize your workspace by creating a workspace name. You can also set up your preferences during this step. Next, invite team members if you plan on collaborating. Enter their email addresses to send invitations. Once your workspace is set up, navigate to the Task Automation feature. Locate the Automations tab in the sidebar menu. Click on it to explore different automation options. Follow the prompts to create your first automation. Choose a trigger for when you want the automation to start. Select the action that should occur once the trigger is activated. Save your automation by clicking the Create or Save button. Review your list of automations to ensure everything is set correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.